Hello students, welcome to SGRBCC. Today we will discuss paper number 313, directions 1 to 5. Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions below. 9 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I sit around a triangle table such that 3 persons sit at the corner, 2 persons sit at the east side of the table but not necessarily in the same order. All of them face towards the center. Here we have a triangular table. First possibility, second possibility, 3 persons are sitting corners. So, two persons are sitting in each side of the table. So, two possibilities. So, see the first one. B sits second to the right of A. Who doesn't sit at the corner of the table? So, A here and B sits second to the right of A. Suppose if A placing here, B is placing here. H sits adjacent to A on the same side. So, H is placing here, H is placing here. Number of persons sit between A and B is the same number of persons sit between A and G. So, A and B 1 person and A and G is also 1 person. And here 1 person and here G is placing. So, G is placing here. Next, I sits to the immediate right of G. So, I is the immediate right of G. Here we do not have place to fix I. This possibility not required. And next, D and E sits the same side. C sits second to the right of D but doesn't sit at the corner. So, if D and E placing here, C sits second to the right of D. So, 1, 2, here C is placing. Suppose if D is placing here, C is coming here, C here, it is corner of the table aitundi kabatti this possibility not required. Next, the remaining person F is placing here. It is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Next, questions chuddam. So, see the questions okasari chudandi. Question number 1. How many persons between F and B? So, between F and B when counts from right of F. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who among the following sit third to the right of C? So, third to the right of C, that is A. Question number 3. Who among the following doesn't belong into the group? So, A middle, D middle, H also middle and F is corner and G is also middle. Next, which of the following statement is true? I sits at the corner of the table. Yes, correct. C, G same side. It is also correct. 3 persons sit between A and F when counts from right of A. So, between A and F counts from right of A 1, 2, 3, 4 persons are there. So, this is not correct. Only 1 and 2 are correct. All the persons are sit alphabetical order from A anti-clockwise directions. So, how many persons are remain unchanged excluding A? So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Only F is not changing. Only 1 person. Next, here we have syllogism. See the first one. Option student okasari given option 1 only conclusion 1 follows, option 2 2 follows, 3 either 1 or 2, 4 vachesi both follows, 5 neither conclusion 1 or 2. Question number 6. Only a few files are read. So, only a few files are read. All read is format. No new is view. So, no new is format. Some read is not new. So, read here, new here. Some read is not new, definitely follows. All files being read is a possibility. So, files here, read here. Already in statement, only a few files are read. So, definitely possibility not follows. Okay. But all read is files is possibility definitely follows. Next, here option 1 is the answer. Question number 7. Only media is social. It means all social is a media. Only media has rights on social. Next, some platform are media. So, some platform are media. Only a few real is platform. So, only a few real is platform. Conclusions. All real being social is not a possibility. All real being social. So, all real being social is not a possibility. Here real is there. So, definitely follows. Why? Because only media has rights on social, so no one can enter into social, so definitely first one is follow. All media can never be platform, so media here, platform here. Suppose if all media being platform is ఒకవేళ అయితే సోషల్ వచ్చేసి ప్లాట్ఫామ్కి రిలేట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సోషల్ వచ్చేసి ప్లాట్ఫామ్కి రిలేట్ అవుతుంది. అకార్డింగ్ టు స్టేట్మెంట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్, సో సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. ఓకే, ఆల్ మీడియా కెన్ నెవర్ బీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ కాబట్టి ఒకవేళ మేబీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ అయితే ఇది డెఫినెట్లీ ఫాలో అవుతుంది. సో సెవెంత్ వన్ ఈజ్ బోత్ ఆప్షన్ 1 and 2 ఫాలోస్. Next, only a few marble are white, so only a few marble are white. All marble are shining, all marble are shining, no black is white. All marble can be black, marble here, black here, so if all marble are black and no statement between white and black not follows, kabatti first one is not follows. All shining being white is a possibility, so shining here, white here, already shining here, white here. Suppose ఒకవేళ ఆల్ షైనింగ్ బీయింగ్ వైట్ పాసిబుల్ అయితే సో ఓన్లీ ఎ ఫ్యూ మార్బుల్ ఆర్ వైట్ అనే స్టేట్మెంట్ వైలేట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నాట్ ఫాలోస్. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఆన్సర్? ఆప్షన్ 5, నైదర్ 1 or 2 ఫాలోస్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 9, ఆల్ సిటీస్ ఆర్ స్టేట్స్. Only a few country is state, so only a few country is state. No world is country, so no world is country. No city is country, so city here, country here, it is country. There is no definite relation between both, so first one is not correct. Some state is not world, so state here and world here. Some part of state is country, no country is white kabatti some state not world definitely follows. Only 2 follows. Next, question number 10 to 14. So see, 8 persons sit around a circular table such that all of them facing away from the table. So total 8 persons are there, all are facing away, it means all are sitting opposite to the center. See the first one, 2 persons between A and E, B second to the right of E. So between A and E there are 2 persons are there. First possibility, second possibility. B sits second to the right of E, so B is placing here, second to the right of E. F sits third to the left of G, who sits adjacent to A. So F is third to the left of G. If G is placing here, G is adjacent to A and F is third to the left of G. So 1, 2, 3, here F is placing. And next, D sits adjacent to F. So here we don't have any place to fix D here, so this possibility is not correct. Coming to this one, F sits third to the left of G. Suppose if G is placing here 1, 2, 3, here F is there and F is placing here and D is adjacent to F, so definitely follows. C sits 2 persons away from H, who doesn't adjacent to G. So here H is not placing. If H is placing here, C is placing here. It is the final arrangement of the puzzle. So let us move on to the questions. Question number 10, how many persons sit between H and G? So between H and G when counted from right of H, so 1, 2, 3, 4, total 4 persons are there. Which of the following statement is true? H opposite to the one who immediate left of D. Not correct. Actually A is immediate right of D, C sits adjacent to G, it is correct. So option 2 is the correct one. Question number 12, all persons sit in alphabetical order from A in clockwise direction. So from A all are sitting in alphabetical order. How many persons remain unchanged? Suppose A, excluding A, B, so C, D, E, F, G and H. So C is not changing and next, so only one person, that is C is not changing. What is the position of A with respect to C? So A here and C here. So from C, A is second to the left. Question number 14. Who among the following doesn't belonging into the group? H and A both are opposite. C and F both are opposite. B and G both are opposite. D and B. So D and B both are not opposite. This one is the odd one out. Next. How many such pairs of letter in the word stalwarts? STALWARTS in English alphabetical series, both forward and backward directions. Starting from S, ST, it is the first pair. UVW, S and W. Suppose if S and W, T and W is also follows. T. And next A, B, C, D, E, F, G, L, M, N, O, P, Q, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, R, S, T not follows. So from backward S and T. Next S, T, U, V, W and also S and W. Total 5 వచ్చినాయి. And starting from T, T to W. Total 6 వచ్చినాయి. అంటే more than 5. Next. Question number 16 చూడండి ఒకసారి. How many such letters are there immediately followed by a number immediately preceded by a symbol? So we need to find symbol letter number. So symbol letter number. So it is one pair and next symbol letter numbers 2 pairs, symbol letter number 3 pairs. Total 3 pairs are there. And next, which among the following letter is fifth to the left of this symbol which is third from the right? So we need to find symbol from right. So 1, 2 and 3. So it is the third from right of the symbol, and from this symbol fifth to the left. So we need to find a letter that is fifth from left. So from symbol, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Y is the answer. Next, if all the symbols are removed from the given series, what is the sum of the numbers which are immediately followed by a consonant? So we need to find numbers which are immediately followed by a consonant. So followed by in the sense first number and next consonant. So number and consonant. First of all, remove all the symbols. So 1, 2 and this one and next. So next and next. Sum of the numbers which are immediately followed by a consonant. So numbers before we need consonants undali. So numbers ki before consonants undali. So chudandi ikkada first one that is 6 plus next that is 8 and next that is 9 and next next వచ్చేసి that is it is 7. So 7 and next 7 after that 4 and 7 4 and next and then so what is the sum of the numbers which are immediately followed by a consonant? So mistake. What is the sum of the numbers? So first of all, remove all the symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next again this one. So sum of the numbers which are immediately followed by a consonant. Number and consonant. See the first one chudandi ikkada 6 and y. 6 plus next 8 plus after that 9 after k. So 9 and next 3 after L. So 3 again next 5 after C. So 5 and next 4. Okay, so 4 is placed. So 6 plus 8 14, 23, 26, 30, 35. So 35 is the answer. Next, how many such symbols are there between the elements which are fifth from left end and eighth from right end? So need to find symbols between fifth from left, so fifth from left, that is 6, and between 8th from right, so 2, 4, 6 and 8 it is. So between both 1, 2, 3 and 4, total 4 symbols are there. Next, nine persons sit in a linear row, all of them face towards north, so total 9 persons are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It is right side, it is left side. T sits third from one of the extreme end, so T sits third from one of the extreme end. Only 2 persons between T and one who sits immediate left of P, so only 2 persons between this person and T, and this person is immediate left of V. So here this person is placing E person immediate left of V untadu. Next, the number of persons seated between T and V is one more than the number of persons seated between V and Q. So between T and V there are 3 persons are there. So between V and Q there are 2 persons are there. Q sits to the right of T, so Q is the right of T. Coming to this one, T and V only one person is there. Suppose if Q is placing here or here, Q is left of T, so this possibility not required. Next, Q sits to the immediate right of Q sits to the right of T. P is the only neighbor of X, so P is the only neighbor of X. U sits third to the right of P. So P is the only neighbor of X, U is the third to the right of P. 1, 2, 3. Here U is placing. Only 2 persons sit between R and W, who sits to the right of S. Suppose if R is placing, W is placing. Between these two, only 2 persons are there. W sits to the right of S. It is the possible. It is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. How many persons between P and S? So P and S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 persons are there. Who among the following sits third to the left of R? 1, 2, 3. That is T. Which of the following statement not true? So R is to the right of X. It is true. More than 3 persons sit to the right of Q. It is also true. And V sits adjacent to R. So it is also true. Odd number of persons between T and S. So 1, 2, 3, 4 persons actually, but not odd number, it is even number. So not true is option 4. Question number 23. So which among the following does not belong into the group? X sits extreme end, P in the middle, Q middle, and V middle, and S middle. So X is the odd one out. Number of persons sit between X and P is same number of persons between dash. So between X and P there are 2 persons are there. So 2 persons ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉన్నారు? T కి U కి మధ్య 1 person, P and V కి మధ్య 4 persons, V and S మధ్య no persons, R and W between both 2 persons are there. Next, so if we form a 4-letter meaningful word by using first, fifth, 8th and 9th letter of the word from left, so it is first R, and next fifth 2, 3, 4, 5, that is L, and next 8th 6, 7, 8 and 9, so V and E. By using these letters we don't make any meaningful words. So what is the answer? Option no meaningful word, make X as our answer. Next, 26 to 29. T is 11 meters to the north of point P and 7 meters to the east of Q. Suppose P is 11 meters to the north of point P and 7 meters to the east of Q. It is 7 meters. W is 5 meters to the south of Q. So W is 5 meters to the south of Q. And next, point S is 12 meters to the north of P and 9 meters to the west of W. From W it is 9 meters. That is S, and S is 12 meters to the north of P. So it is 12 meters. R is 6 meters to the north of U. U is to the east of point V. So U is the east of point V and to the south of W. So U here, so V here, W here. So exactly U is placing here. It is 9 meters and from here to here it is total 12 meters. R is 6 meters to the north of U. So R is the 6 meters to the north of U. Here R. Both P and R in same line. So both P and R in same line. Okay. So it is 12, it is 5, 17, 11 plus 6, it is also 17. Let us move on to the questions. So question number 26. Which direction Q with respect to V? So Q here and V here, exactly northeast. Question number 27. Which one doesn't belonging into the group? First S and Q. So Q here, S here. Q is northeast of S. Okay. Next V and T. So T here, V here. It is also northeast. U and P. So U here and P here. It is also northeast. R and W. R and W both are in straight line. So this one is the odd one out. What is the shortest distance between S and Q? So between S and Q, what is the shortest distance? So it is 9, it is 5. So hypotenuse square equal to 9 square plus 5 square. 9 square 81, 5 square 25. So 81 plus 25 it is 106. Then what about hypotenuse? It is 106 meters. So it is 106 meter, root 106 meters. Next question number 29. Point P is to the west of Z and the distance between them is 1 meter less than the distance between R and U. So R and U there is 6 meters. P is the west of Z and ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ వచ్చేసి దీనికంటే 1 మీటర్ లెస్ అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ 5 meters. And next then the distance between Z and P is the same distance between dash and dash. So between both 5 meters is there. So only Q and W has 5 meters. What is the answer? Option 3. Next inequalities. Question number 30. R greater than Q. So R here, Q here, here both are opposite signs. So first one is not correct. C less than or equal to M. C here and M here. Here also both are opposite signs. So instead of C we can write R here. Why? Because C equal to R and instead of M we can write Q here. So same, first conclusion, second conclusion both are same. So this is complementary pair. Option 3 is the answer. Next K less than or equal to T. So K less than or equal to M, it is T actually. So K less than or equal to M, M equal to T. First one definitely follows. P less than Q. So P equal to M, M to Q. So definitely second one is also follows. And next 32. K less than or equal to A. So K here and A here. Here both are opposite signs. First one is not follows. Next C less than K. C here and K here. Here opposite signs are there. So second one is also not follows. Neither conclusion 1 or 2 follows. Next K greater than N. So K here. So N to K. So N here, N to D, D to K. Second one, first one definitely follows. L less than or equal to S. So L less than or equal to N, N equal to D and D to S. So second one is not follows. Why? Because here we have less than. So what is the answer? 33, only one follows, second one not follows. So L greater than S, L equal L to S. Here both are opposite signs is there. So first one is not follow. G greater than or equal to B. So G here. So G to B definitely follows. Only 2 is follows. Next. In the given number 7, 5, 3, 1, 8, 6, 4, 2, 9, If the digits at the even position are removed, then the remaining digits are arranged in ascending order. So first of all, even number digits, even places removed. 1, so 2, 4, 6 and 8. So these are removed. After that, we can write all are ascending order from right to left. From right to left, it is 3, 4, 7, 8 and 9. What is the sum of the digits which are second from both ends? So second from both ends, it is 8 plus 4. It is 12. Total is 12. Next, 36 to 40. One more puzzle is there. 8 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W order TVs from Amazon on 2 different dates, either 11th or 14th of 4 different months. That is January, June, July and September, but not necessarily in the same order. So see, 4 months, that is January, June, July and next September. So 11th, so it is 11th, 14th. And days, January 31 days, July 30, July 31 and next September 30, June 30 days. So see the first possibility and next. 2 persons order between P and Q, who orders after P. P orders in the month having even number of days. So it means P order in January. Suppose P here. So between P and Q there are 2 persons. Suppose P order in June. Here Q is placing. Next, U orders 2 persons before W. Both U and W order in the same date. Same date in the sense either 11 or 14. Suppose U order in 11 and W also 11. Suppose U is placing here. What are the possibilities? Suppose U is placing here. U orders 2 persons before W. So suppose U here and W is placing here. Coming to the second one, U is placing here, W is placing. So coming to the third possibility, suppose U orders in 14th, W orders in 14th. S orders immediately after W but before Q. So S orders immediately after W before Q. So here S is ordered immediately after W before Q. Next, we don't have any place to fix W. And next, number of person order after S is 2 more than the number of persons after V. So after S 1 to 3 persons are there. 3 persons is 2 more than after V. It is after V only 1 person is placing. Here 2 persons and it is 2 more than in the sense V is placing here. Next, R orders before T but not immediately. So if T is placing here, R is placing. If T is placing, R is placing, but not immediately before. In the sense this one is also not correct. Let us move on to the questions. Question number 36. Who among the following person ordered TV 11th July? So 11th July TV, that is yes. How many persons order between R and one who orders immediately after Q? So R and after Q, that is V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons are there. Next, question number 38. 4 of the following 5, which among the following does not belong into the group? R is 11th Jan, P 11th June, S 11th July, Q 14th July, U 11th Jan. So R, U both are in same month, and next S and Q both are in same month except P. R related to W, so R related to W in the sense plus 3. Next, U related to S, so U is yes, it is also plus 3. Then who among the following related to V? So V in the sense, so from W V is the plus 3. Which among the following statement is not true? R orders TV 11th January, so it is correct. more than 4 persons after W. So exactly 4 persons got it is also correct. It is not correct. T orders TV after W. T is after W, so it is also correct. Only which one is not true? Option 2. So 2 is the not correct.